Hi, my name is Raulh of Godcuredme. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, we're going to talk about butternut squash. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can prepare it. So let's get started. First, preset your oven at 400 degrees. Now you can either cook a butternut squash by cutting it into half and cooking each half with the skin on it, or you can cut it into cubes and cook it that way. I'll show you how to do both ways at the same time. Take a butternut squash and cut the ends off using a sharp knife. Please be careful that you don't cut yourself while doing so, because butternut squash has a tough exterior, so you have to put a little elbow grease into cutting it. Now, cut it the long way. See the seeds? We're going to remove them using a spoon, but don't throw them away. I'll show you in my next video how to roast them for a healthy snack, and I'll put that link in the description box below and at the end of this video. After you remove the seeds, the one we're going to cook as a whole is almost ready. Now the other half, we're going to peel the outer skin off with a vegetable peeler. Now there are other videos showing you to put it in a microwave for about 3 minutes to soften the outer skin. But if you're following Dr. Sebi's advice like I am, we don't use microwaves. Microwaves kill the nutritional value of food, rendering it worthless. So let's toughen up a bit and just use a peeler to save the nutritional value of the squash. After you finish peeling the outer layer, we're now going to dice it. Now we're ready to get both prepared to put in the oven. We're going to use either avocado oil or grapeseed oil on your squash. Never use olive oil. Olive oil loses its nutritional value once it's heated. Avocado and grapeseed oil hold their nutritional value when it's heated. Spread your oil all over your squash and add your desired spices. I use sea salt, sweet basil, and onion powder. My website has a free food list, and on the home page is where you'll find the spices you should use, according to Dr. Sebi. I use a glass pan to cook with. I stopped using aluminum pots and pans and aluminum foil to cook with because I was having health issues. I had a hair analysis done, and they found a high amount of aluminum in my system from years of cooking with aluminum foil and aluminum pots and pans. It was extremely difficult to get it out of my system and get my health back on track. I put a link in the description box below on my video of how to remove toxins from your system if you want to check it out. Once your oven has hit 400 degrees, place them in the oven for approximately 25 to 35 minutes or until you can push a fork through the squash. While your squash is cooking, separate the seeds from the stringy squash and let them dry out. We're going to save these, and when we get enough of them, we're going to roast them for a healthy snack. I'll put the link in the description box below. And there you have it, butternut squash. Butternut squash has vitamin C, vitamin E, and B vitamins, including folate and B6, which your body needs for energy and red blood cell formation. It also has potassium, magnesium, and manganese. Thanks for watching. My name is Raulh of Godcuredme. Look forward to my next video of how to roast butternut squash seeds. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can also go to my website, godcuredme.com, for my free food list, which is approved by Dr. Sebi. In the meantime, don't forget, I won't just pray for you, I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. I'll see you soon.